This is NOAA Weather Radio, West North G689 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for northwest Indiana, including Porter, Lake, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, Stark, and LaPorte counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:20 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Crete, or near to Streeter, moving northeast and 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable wind damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Winfield, Valparaiso, Cherville, East Chicago, Merrillville, New Chicago, Porter, Dune Acres, Hebron, Hobart, Dyer, and St. John. Remain alert for possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once to the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, WNG689 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for northwest Indiana, including Porter, Lake, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, Stark, and LaPorte counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 8:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tornado watch